Hi, this is Eric Mailman. Today we're going to look at a demo program for ITN 160 that uses a guizero front end with a SQLite database backend. We have a couple of things to look at in this program, so let's get started. Notice on the top of this program there are two imports that you're probably not familiar with. They have to do with the SQLalchemy library. To use that library, you should go into your settings, and if the library is not included, add it on using the plus sign, as we've done before with guizero. So from that library, we generate these two statements. Using the library, we generate the two statements. Let's take a look at the database that this accesses. And to do that, I've started up the DB browser for SQLite program. This is a program that is available for free, and the link to download it is included in the D2L description. In this program, I've built a table called members that's going to hold the data. And in that table, there are 5 different fields. This is a quick description of them. There's a member ID field, which provides a unique integer for each member, the name of the member, the level of membership, how many years the membership is for, and the date that was joined. So once this is set up within the DB browser program, you really don't need it to look at it again. So we'll get rid of it. So going back to PyCharm, let's run the program and see what it looks like. You should recognize most of the elements on this GUI form. Of course, it has a beautiful sky blue background. It has a title. It has 2 boxes. In this box, we have 4 rows. The first row is used to enter the user's name. Let's do that. And then his level of membership, how many years the membership lasts. When we're done, we hit the Add Member button, and if everything is successful, we'll see Donald Duck added to our membership list. So over here, you see a list box, a guizero list box, that has several columns in it, probably as many columns as there were fields in the database. So the first column is ID. This is being assigned automatically in the database to be an integer that never repeats. So it guarantees that whoever is added or deleted, every user will get, every entry in the database, rather, will get a unique ID. Then a field for the name, a field for the level, how many years, and the date joined, which is pulled from today's date. The only other feature in this interface, there's kind of a negative feature in the interface. If we hit Add Member and we don't provide a name, we will be told that we have to do that. And if we decide that we want to remove a member because their membership has expired, then all we have to do is click on the line where that person is listed, and we will get a guizero question box that has a yes/no associated with it. If we say no, of course, nothing happens. If we say yes, then that line will be removed. Those are about all the features. I should point out that as you read this program, you will see inserted into it SQL commands. And using the SQLalchemy program, we're able to execute those commands from Python. Very quickly, the commands that we have listed here are insert, which adds new entries, new rows, new records into the table. We have a delete, which removes items from the table based on member ID. And we have a select to pull all of the records or rows out of the table. So that's a quick look at what's going on here. I hope you find this an interesting program, and you have the zip file including not only the py file, but also the clubmembers.db file if you want to run the program on your own. These two files must be located in the same directory, or else it won't find them. Okay. All right. I think that's a good overview of this, and just let me know if you have any questions.